Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve an audio rendering error you were experiencing on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up a web browser, whatever your web browser you tend to be using that you're coming across this message. So for most of you guys, it's probably going to be Google Chrome, so go ahead and open up Chrome here and select the setting icon at the top right corner of the browser screen, and then go ahead and select more tools and then select clear browsing data. You want to uncheck browsing history but keep cookies and other site data as well as cached images and files selected, and change the time range to all time. Select clear data. Once you're done with that, go ahead and close out of here. Something else you want to go do here is open up the start menu, type in troubleshoot. Best result should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select additional troubleshooters on the right panel here. And underneath get up and running, select playing audio, find and fix problems with playing sound, and select run the troubleshooter. And I'd recommend following along with any on-screen prompts here. And select next. And once that's done, close out of here, restart your computer and see if that has resolved the problem. Something else you want to consider looking at is down in your system speaker and your system tray. Go ahead and make sure it's turned on, as well as your physical speakers are turned on as well. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.